Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a project share for BB's Crafts. And in my last video, this is one of the projects that I shared, is this little dangle. And these beads right here is all natural stones that you can get from BB's Crafts. I will have BB's Crafts website in the description box, along with the coupon code and the links to all of these gorgeous beads. And these are the beads that I had left. Now with this strand of beads, I had a 6mm and an 8mm size, so I had one strand of each bead. So I also had these from BB's Crafts. You get a variety pack of colors, and you can make your own bracelets. And this right here, it adjusts, that's how you adjust what size you need. So really, really nice. So I just put these beads there. And I just used a stretchy cord on this as well. You could use other kind of string if you have like the, what do you call those, crimpers? A lot of different ways you could make these. So I did that one after I did the keychain. Well, actually I did this last with some beads that was left. So I decided to make this really chunky bracelets. Oh, here's the clasp. But I wanted to do it in the same style as the dangle. So that's what I did. And oh, look at it. Look at all of those pretty beads. And what I did is I used 4 of each size per color. So what I did is I did a small, large, like on each side of the chain. I did small, large, and then over here I did large, small, and then I went small, large, large, small, just so they will flow together like that. Really, really cute. And then I got my clasp on here, and then when you clasp it together, it's so cute and chunky. So that is my pretty chunky bracelets. And like I said, they're all natural beads. And you can find these on BB's Craft. They have so much. And they have a lot of, if you're into the natural stone beads, they have lots and lots. And if you didn't see my previous project share, I also made some bracelets with these right here. And these actually came in this case. And I think it comes with 2 strands. And look how pretty. Oh, look how pretty those are. So pretty. I will have all of the beads linked below. And also what's on the end of this dangle here is these right here. So many pretty natural stones. So pretty. And you get so many. Get so many of those. These did not come in this case. That was a case that I have around the craft room, but I wanted to keep them in there. But that is my project share for BB's Craft. I will have everything in the description box, and I'll just go ahead and link my unboxing and my other project share video, so you can see all of the things I made with the natural stone beads. Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.